Hello, second grade. It's Mr. Bounce again with another Esti-Mystery. Here we have a glass filled with wooden blocks. And again, you know what we're going to do. First, we want to estimate or guess how many blocks are in there. So think about the size of the blocks. They're all the same size. Think about the shape of the glass. I see some empty spaces near the bottom. So we're going to try and figure out how many blocks are in there. And you can use all different methods. You might count the front blocks that you see. You might count the blocks on the top and then add them by rows, even though they're not even rows. There's all kinds of ways to guess. You might just throw out a number, 1,221. I don't think that's right. So I'm going to try something else. I'm going to go with, let's going to go with 43 blocks. All right. Do you have your guess? Because we're moving on. Here's our first clue. The answer is a multiple of 3. All right, so that means, again, if you count by threes, it could be 3, 6, 9, 12, on and on and on. So now I have to think, is 42 a multiple of 3? That means if I count by threes, will I land on the number 42? Well, here's a little trick if you don't know it. If you take the digits in a number and you add them up, and if they add up to like 3, 6, 9, 12, then it is a multiple of 3. So if I take my answer, my guess of 42, I'm going to add the 4 and the 2, which is 6. I know that's a multiple of 3, so 42 is a multiple of 3. So right now, I'm still good. All right, if you need to make another guess, go ahead and do it. The answer is an odd number. All right, well, 42 is not an odd number. So I have to make a new estimate. All right, so I'm going to go with something close to 42. I'm going to actually go down a little bit. I'm going to go to 39. I know that is a multiple of 3. Let's move on. The answer is 1 less than a multiple of 4. Okay, adds a little bit more detail here. So again, let's count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So if I think about 39 and it's 1 less than 40, 40 is a multiple of 4, so my guess of 39 still works. How about you? Are you making a new guess? All right, clue number 4. The answer does not include the digit 5 or the digit 7. So I moved my picture for you. So it doesn't have a 5 or a 7 in it. So 39 still works. It is odd. It's 1 less than a multiple of 4, which is 40. It doesn't have a 5 or a 7. So right now I feel pretty good about my guess. How about you? Are you ready to move on? Let's see. This is your last chance. Do you want to make another change? It's okay if you do. That's the name of the game. Think about what you know, think about what you see, and think about what you know that makes sense. All right, here we go. The reveal. I wish I had a drum roll, but I don't. Here we go. 63. Wow. I'm off again by a lot. 2 days in a row, but that's okay. I used what I knew. I made some good guesses. They were wrong guesses, but that's okay. I hope you enjoyed our Esti-Mystery for today. Hope you have a great day, and I'll be seeing you soon. All right, bye-bye.